So you've decided to join the ranks of aspiring drone pilots? Well, buckle up because you're in for a thrilling ride. Drones have quickly become the must-have gadget for anyone looking to capture epic aerial shots or just indulge in some good old-fashioned high-flying fun. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the perfect drone for a beginner? Fear not, for we have scoured the market to bring you the 5 best drones for beginners. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Ryze Tech Tello, our pick for best budget drone for beginners. Designed in collaboration with the drone maestros over at DJI, the Tello is a featherweight flyer that is perfect for newbie aviators looking to hone their piloting skills. One of the standout features of the Tello is its intuitive control system. You have the option of steering this bad boy with the Tello smartphone app, or if you're feeling a little more adventurous, you can connect a Bluetooth gaming controller and really take control of the skies. Of course, the range on the Bluetooth controller is a bit limited, but hey, you don't need to go bungee jumping off a skyscraper in your first flight anyway, right? But what makes the Tello apart in its price range is the responsiveness and agility it offers. You can practically feel the wind rush through your hair as you maneuver this nimble little drone through the air. Just be careful of those gusts, as any slight breeze can send the Tello off course faster than a toddler chasing an ice cream truck. Now, we may not be looking at 4K video capabilities here, but the Tello's 720p camera still manages to capture decent footage. Just keep in mind that it's all streamed directly to your phone, so be prepared for the occasional hiccups in video quality if your Wi-Fi starts acting up. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE, our pick for best affordable drone for beginners. Packed with features that put pricier drones to shame, it's no wonder this sleek and compact flyer is hailed as the best affordable drone for beginners. First things first, let's talk about flight time. With up to an impressive 31 minutes of airtime, you'll have ample opportunity to explore the skies and capture breathtaking shots. And when the batteries eventually run low, fear not. The DJI Mini 2 SE conveniently folds up for easy storage, perfect for those short on space or constantly on the go. Now let's get to the heart of what truly sets this drone apart, the camera. With options for up to 2.7K at 30 frame per second video and 12 megapixel stills, you'll be able to shoot high-quality footage that'll leave your friends in awe. While it may lack HDR support, the Mini 2 SE still delivers stunning imagery. And with raw DNG photo output, you'll have full control over post-processing to bring out every detail. But fair warning, this drone doesn't come equipped with obstacle sensors, so beginners should exercise caution when flying at lower altitudes. With its affordable price tag, impressive features, and easy-to-use interface, the DJI Mini 2 SE is an absolute steal for budding pilots. Still searching for the perfect drones for beginner? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DJI Mini 3, our pick for best 249-gram drone for beginners. Introducing the DJI Mini 3, the ultimate lightweight and compact drone that is bound to take your adventures to new heights. Weighing in at under 249 gram, this little powerhouse is the perfect companion for all your hiking, road tripping, and beach bumming escapades. What sets the DJI Mini 3 apart from its competition is its extended battery life of up to 38 minutes. Say goodbye to the constant battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted flight time. Capture breathtaking aerial shots in 4K HDR video, no less. The stunning imagery will leave you in awe, as it effortlessly captures even the tiniest details, whether it's day or night. One standout feature of the DJI Mini 3 is its true vertical shooting capability. Now you can easily capture those towering skyscrapers and majestic waterfalls without breaking a sweat. And with quick shots and panorama modes, epic shots are literally at your fingertips. Just choose your flight pattern or capture a panoramic view and let the DJI Mini 3 work its magic. And let's not forget about its compatibility with the DJI RCN1 controller. It's all about packing light and enjoying the creative experience. So, whether you're a beginner drone enthusiast or a seasoned pro, the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect choice for you. Number 2. Autel EVO Nano Plus, our pick for best DJI alternative for beginners. This remarkable little gadget is taking on the formidable DJI Mini 3 Pro in the sub 250 gram category. And boy does it give the big players a run for their money. Don't let its small size fool you. The EVO Nano Plus packs a punch when it comes to performance. With a sensor that truly shines in low-light conditions, you'll be capturing stunning sunsets and mesmerizing twilight cityscapes like a pro. And for those days when the wind just won't quit, fear not! This beauty can handle it like a champ, making it an ideal choice for those unpredictable outdoor adventures. Sure, the DJI Mini 3 Pro might have the upper hand overall, but don't count the EVO Nano Plus out just yet. Autel Robotics is constantly working on firmware updates and adding new features to ensure this little powerhouse keeps up with the big boys. So if you're on the hunt for an affordable alternative to DJI's offerings, look no further than the Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus. It's the perfect companion for beginner drone pilots and seasoned professionals alike. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro, our pick for best drone for beginners overall. If you've been yearning to take to the skies and capture stunning aerial shots, look no further than the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This incredible drone is the perfect companion for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. With its advanced obstacle detection sensors, you can fly confidently in even the most complex environments. What sets the Mini 4 Pro apart from its predecessors is the upgraded camera. Equipped with a quad Bayer sensor, this tiny powerhouse supports 4K 60 video and offers your choice of 48 megapixel or oversampled 12 megapixel still photos. It's like having a professional-grade camera in the palm of your hand. But it's not just about the stunning visuals. The Mini 4 Pro also features a small and portable design that weighs in at only 249 gram. That means you can take to the skies without worrying about registration requirements. No red tape, just soaring free like a bird. With options for both a smartphone-controlled remote and a remote with a built-in touchscreen, you have full control of your flying experience. And if you're really serious about extending your flight time, there's even an extended life battery option available. So, whether you're a novice looking to dip your toes into the world of drones or an experienced pilot searching for your next aerial adventure, the Mini 4 Pro has got you covered. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best drones for beginners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which drones for beginner you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.